At this point, let us familiarize ourselves with the Google Classroom interface. Let's start in viewing Classroom.
Main menu. This will allow you to access all of your classes, calendar, student work, and settings. Classes. Here you can view all your classes. Calendar. Here you can view your calendar and keep track of your schedules to do. In this section, you can view all your work for all of your classes and the list of your classes. Archive classes. You will be able to view your archive classes. Settings. Here, you will be able to access your Google Classroom settings. This is where you can turn on or off your notifications. In this portion, we have the stream. The stream is where you will find announcements from your course instructor or professor, upcoming deadlines, and where you can post and comment. Classwork. The classwork page is where you will find your assignments, quizzes, and class materials. People. The people page is where you can see and reach out to your teacher and classmates. G Suite apps. This icon represents your G Suite apps. You can click on this icon to open other G Suite applications. Now, let's go over with the student stream portion where you will find announcements from your course professor or instructors, upcoming deadlines, and where you can post and comment. Here, you can view the following. Upcoming assignment deadlines will appear to the left sidebar. If your course instructor or professor will allow you to post, you will see a box like this at the top of the stream. Click in the box to share something with your class. Keep it appropriate. Your course instructor or professor may also post announcements like this in the stream. They may post notifications of new assignments in the stream. But you can always see your assignments on the classwork page that we will discuss in the next part of our video tutorial.
For now, this is the end of the part 1 of our tutorial. Stay tuned and don't forget to like our page and check on the links flashed on your screen. Thank you very much.